Hello, welcome, or welcome back if you've been here before. So I was scrolling through TikTok the other day and I saw a new pattern for pen holders and glasses holders. And we all know I love a pen holder and a glasses holder. So I thought I'd give the pattern a go. In my brain, it's not wide enough to hold a pen. So I thought we'll just do it and see what happens. It's a lanyard, but the pen holder and the glasses is, you don't clip it on, it's part of the lanyard. I've got two pieces of fabric. This is going to be the lanyard part and this is going to be the bit that goes with the pen and the glasses in. So this one is, I think it's about 35.5 inches by 3 1/8 of an inch. And this one is 13.5 inches by 3 1/8 of an inch. And I've got the little D-clip claw thing. Don't know what you call them. Basically, the fabric that you need needs to be 4 times as wide as the inside of your clip. If you're working in centimetres, you want about 92 by 8 and 34 by 8. So the big piece, a long piece, you're gonna fold it in half and iron it. Then you're gonna fold one side in, iron that, the other side in, and go over like that. And then you're gonna find the middle and iron a crease there too. So there's my middle. Okay, so we'll put that to one side for a minute. The shorter piece, on each end, you want to fold it, give it a little press, and then fold it again and give it a little press. And you want to do the same on both ends. Now we're going to go and sew down this side and the other side. So we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to press it. And then again, like that one, we're going to go in there, and then fold it like that. Okay, I'm going to take that to the iron. Find the centre and make a little press. And find the centre of this one. We're going to lay this one on top of this one and match up those centres. Okay, now go and put a line of stitching down that centre. Now we're going to fold it all back up like we had it before, the two layers together. And then take your two ends, we're going to open them out pop your thing, whatever it's called. If you know what it's called, let me know in the comments. Open out your two ends. Match them up on the folds where we've pressed. Make sure you're not twisted, and go and sew along there. Press that seam out and then put it back together. Now we're going to go and sew all the way along this edge, and as you're working you're going to move that out the way. If you've got a free arm, take it off, it'll make it easier. So where we made that in the middle there, that seam in the middle there, you're going to pop this there and do this. Fold it over. Pop some clips in. Get it nice and straight. Right, we're going to go and sew along here. Yes, it fits a pen. Will it fit my glasses? It does. Oh my word, it does. It's fabulous. I love it, and I love these fabrics. Well, there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.